Hello and welcome to my video, lesson 5.1 on estimating and measuring angles. So this is all about just estimating what position a given angle is at. So this is going to be very similar to the lesson 5.4 that's talking about reference angles. So that'll come up later on. But basically, when we're estimating and measuring angles, first thing we have to do is remember our main circle. Okay, so to start a circle, we start at 0 degrees. Okay, and probably most people will remember that if you go up, then it'll be 90 degrees. If you go sideways, it'll be 180 degrees. And then it's just 180 plus 90 is 270 degrees going down, and plus 90 again is 360 degrees. And so when you go all the way around in a circle, it's 360 degrees. You can kind of think about a skateboard trick or snowboarding or whatever, BMX, whatever you might do. When you do a 360 spin, you spin all the way around, right? So 360 is a full circle. Okay, so with that said, let's classify some angles in here. Let's start with an acute angle. So an acute angle is any angle that's between 90 and 0 degrees. Okay, not exactly 90, but between them. So an acute angle could look like this, from here to here. Okay, as long as this line is anywhere inside this zone, then it is an acute angle. Okay, so that's an acute angle. Oh, I missed one. I didn't write down. Right. There you go. So now the next type of angle is a right angle triangle. Or not right angle triangle, sorry. A right angle, which is if you go straight up. So now this is if it's perpendicular or if it makes a right angle with our original line. So you have to imagine that the original line is going in the same direction. All right, and then obtuse angles are any that fall within the 90 to 180 range. So, whoops. So obtuse could be, for example, an angle in here. Okay, next we have the straight angle, which just means you have a straight line. So you have an angle going straight that way. And next we have ourselves a reflex angle, which is anywhere in this whole zone. Going anywhere in this zone here. All of that would be a reflex angle. So let's just put it, whoops, it's a little bit too much. Let's put it straight down, okay? But it could be anywhere in that zone. It could be going this way, could be going this way. We just decided to put it going straight down, but it could be anywhere in there. And then last but not least, we're going to use black because it's going back into a full circle. So it's going back the same direction that it came. So those are all the different types of angles. And if you're estimating an angle, you kind of want to think about how much of a circle it is. So think about if it's like a pie of a circle, right? So if we have a circle, a full circle is 360 degrees. But how much of the circle, like what fraction of the circle is this turn? Well, yes, we already know the angle from before, but what we can do is we can say, well, it's, hold on. That's the wrong thing. Well, it's 3/4. So we have 1/4 up here. Let's do a dotted line. 1/4 up here, 1/4 here, and then 1/4 in the bottom left. So it's 3/4 of a circle, or 3/4 times by 360. So if you multiply that, you get 270. Okay, and if you break up a circle differently, you can just do a different amount. So for example, maybe we talk about an eighth. So this is roughly speaking, that is an eighth of a circle. So 360 times by 1/8, and we get 45 degrees. Okay, and you can do that for any fraction of a circle. So it's just about there you go. That's 5. Okay, so any gap in here or any angle in here, this angle could be 1/5. So 360 times by 1/5, and I believe that's 72. Let me just double check with my calculator. 360 times 1 divided by 5. Yeah, 72. And that's pretty much how you estimate angles, or take a look at them, really, without a protractor. All right, I hope this video helps you understand how to estimate angles a little bit better. Good luck.